Namaste, welcome to my class. How are you all? Today we are starting our second chapter, how the dog himself found his master. Do you have a pet in your home? Some of you may have a dog as a pet in your home. This is a story about how the dog became our pets. Okay, let's start our story.
How the dog found himself a master. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom. Until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was strong as he was fierce. "Where are you going, dog?" the wolf asked. "I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf?" "I don't see why not," the wolf said. And this agreed upon, the two of them went on together. They walked, and all of a sudden, the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so? Can't you see? There's a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me." Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to his readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. Just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. "Now, why did I have to come here?" said he to the dog. "It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." "The lion? Who is he?" "Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth." "Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of. Therefore, there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offended him in any way. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw, with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back very quietly. "What is it, master? Is anything wrong?" asked the dog, surprised. "I smell a man coming this way," the lion said. "We will better run for it or we will be in trouble." "Oh well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed up with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master.
Do you understand the story? This is how a dog became his master. We say dogs are the most faithful animals. If a dog became our pet, it will be with us till our end. Even if we die, it may be very sad for many days. Have you heard a recent news? One of the famous Hindi film star is dead and his dog didn't have food for many days. It's really sad, isn't it? They are very loving creatures too. So if you wish to buy a pet, buy a dog. Okay? Okay, let's do our exercises. Okay, these are the questions after this chapter. Working with the test. Discuss these questions in pairs before you write the answers. To find these answers, you need to read the test book 1 or 2 times. After that, you need to find out the answers for each questions. First question. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? The answer for this question is given in paragraph 1 and 2. Likewise, you need to read each question and find out the answers for the rest of the questions. A hint is given after each question, that is where the answer, that is in which paragraph the answer is. B. A summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. Some phrases are given in the box and you need to fill these blanks by selecting the correct phrase for each blanks. Okay? This is the story of a blank is given. Who used to be? Then again a blank. How can we fill this? This is the story of a dog. We know that the story is about the dog. So the first blank is filled with a dog. Who used to be? His own master. So second blank is also filled. Likewise, you need to fill the rest of the blanks with the phrases given in the bracket. Okay? After that, working with language. Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of. For example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. Complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. Okay? Okay, first question. A fleet of ships. Group of ships is fleet of ships. We say fleet of ships. Okay, second question. A bunch of flowers. Likewise, you fill the rest of the blanks. Okay? Next, make nouns from the words given below by adding ness or t. For some words we need to add just ty or y. Okay? You need to make these words to nouns. First word, honest. We make it as honesty. Second word, kind. Kind is kindness. Likewise, you make nouns for the rest of the words. Okay? Word search. There are 12 words hidden in the table. 6 can be found horizontally and the remaining 6 vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy, etc. The first letters of the words are given below. Okay? We have to search the words in this and find out the words. The first letter of each words are given as a clue. The horizontal and in vertical lines. Okay? Okay, see. In this horizontal line, hasty is a word. And you can see this vertical line, angry is another word. Likewise, you need to find out the rest of the 10 words. Okay? Read the following passage and do the exercises that follow. Then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page. Okay? You need to read this passage first to do these exercises. Find the opposites of these words in the text above. Okay, you need to write the opposites. First word, ancestor. What is the opposite? The opposite word is descendant. Okay, next, wild. It is tame. Likewise, you fill the rest of the words. Complete the following sentence. You need to complete the following sentence by reading the passage. Okay? Here the family tree of the dogs is given. You need to complete the words. First word is carnivorous. Likewise, you find out the other word and complete the family tree. Okay? Here are some points from a similar story that you might have heard in another language. Dividing the class into two groups, try and tell the story in English. One person from each group can speak alternatively. Your teacher will help. Okay, these are group works, but you can also try it in your home. Here, short sentences are given. If you know this story, you can try to say it your own. Okay? That's all for today's class. Stay safe. Thank you.